Hello everyone, Manisha Shinjvi here. Welcome to my channel. So it has been more than a year that we all are working from home, and most of us are using computers or laptops to do our work from home. Today I'll be suggesting you 4 important accessories that can make your work from home easier and more productive. And yes, you can also use these accessories after this lockdown at your workplace. So let's get started. Now let me introduce you to all these accessories and then we'll be doing the unboxing one by one. So the first one is multimedia keyboard. Then we have this optical mouse. And I have 2 types of USB hubs that I'll be talking about. So let's start unboxing this multimedia keyboard from Dell, and the model number is KB216. So let's talk about the keyboard. The keys are very soft, easy and comfortable to use. We have extra set of multimedia keys. For example, we have a dedicated key for internet, then mail, zoom in, zoom out. And then we also have a scroll wheel. We have extra set of number keys. So if you have too many calculations to be done during the work, so this will be really easy for you. We have 2 extra USB ports. So as you know, nowadays with computers or tablets, we don't have multiple USB ports. So this can be used for attaching other devices like a mouse. Another thing is we have this stand. So if you use it, it will be really helpful for a comfortable typing. This is available on Amazon. The actual price is $9.99. However, we got it on a discount, and the price that we had to pay was rupees 643. So I'll also put the link in the description box if you wish to buy, so you can get it from there. Now the second product that I'm going to talk about is the optical mouse from Dell. So let's do the unboxing and then we'll talk about it. Okay. So this is a wired mouse. Let me cut it. So it's a basic optical mouse with right and left button and a scroll wheel. This wire can be easily attached. It's a plug and play device. When attached to any computer or tablet, it will be detected and then it can be used easily. The MRP for this mouse is rupees 650. However, I got it from Amazon for somewhere around 350 rupees. So again, I'll put the link in the description box if you wish to buy. Now let's unbox the third accessory that I have today. This is Eyeball Piano 423 USB hub, and I have been using it for past 1 year, and it's really very rugged and I would definitely recommend it for use. So let me show you. So this wire can be connected to your device, computer or laptop, whatever you are using, and then we get 4 USB ports which can be used to attach different devices. Then we also have this extra wire to power up this device. However, I never felt the need to use it, so I have never used it. But yes, this is optional, this can be used. This is also available on Amazon. The actual price is 750. However, right now it is available for rupees 660. And I'll put the link in the description box. If you wish to buy, you can get it from there. Now coming to the last device that I want to show today, the fourth accessory is this USB hub, which can be used with the tablet, where I have only one USB port. And yes, if you see it carefully, it has USB 2.0 port, USB 3.0 port, and also a slot for SD card. So yes, it is really useful. So I got it from Amazon last year. Right now it's not available, but I'll add a link for a product which is very similar to this one, and that is available for rupees 299. However, the actual price is rupees 600. So you can get it from there if you wish to. So other than these accessories that I talked about, I feel Headphones are also very useful while we are using computer or laptop. So I have ordered Sennheiser noise cancellation headphone. So I'll be reviewing it in my next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, please consider subscribing.